Sometimes the use of in and on can be very confusing, like the car is in the garage or on the garage. The pen is on the table or in the table. She is in her room or on her room. He has a tattoo in his arm or on his arm. Yes. So today I am going to help you how to use in and on in a very fun and interesting way. So let's get started. Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today I am going to talk about how to use in and on in a sentence. Now let's talk about in and on. So in and on, they are prepositions, right? So what they do? They act to connect the people, objects, locations, time in a sentence, right? Now the most important question. How do we know when to use in and on in a sentence? So you have to know the rules. Now let's talk about the rules. So we use in when something is located inside of a defined space. It could be a flat space like a yard, field, or a three-dimensional space like a box, house, car. And remember, the space does not need to be closed on all sides. Now let me give you some examples. So in is to represent something is enclosed or surrounded by something else. Now look at the first picture. You can see the cat is in the box. Now again, look at the second picture. She is in her car. Now again, look at the first picture. You can see Alex is playing in her room. Now the next picture. I live in Paris. Now look at the first picture and tell me who lives in the beehive? Yes, bees. Now again, look at the next picture. The mail is in the mailbox. Now, when to use on? So we use on when something is touching the surface of something. It could be a horizontal surface like a floor, beach, or a vertical surface like a wall. Now let's give you some examples. So on is to represent something is placed above something and is in touch with it. Now look at the first picture. You can see the cat is on the mat. Now, look at the second picture. You can see we are on the planet. Now again, look at the first picture. You can see there is a big painting on the wall. The next picture, they are lying on the bed. Now look at the first picture. You can see the blue pen is on the table. Now the next picture. He has a tattoo on his arm. Now we'll talk about when to use in and on when we talk about time. Now let's talk about on. So on is a very particular preposition when we talk about time. So it is used with specific days, dates, or named day. On 22nd June, I first learned to swim. Let's all meet up on Friday. Now, let me give you some more examples. Number 1. I will meet her on Monday. Number 2. Asha's birthday is on 25th March. Number 3. I will see you on Friday. Number 4. On 18 March, I first learned to swim. Number 5. Do you study on Sunday? Now let's talk about in. So in is used in phrases that describe a more general period of time that doesn't have a clock time or time of day. I got up very late in the morning. I was born in 1999. Now, let me give you some more examples. Number 1. The movie was released in 2010. Number 2. Ravi's wedding is in October. Number 3. I was born in 1990. Number 4. I got up very early in the morning. Number 5. The flower will bloom in spring. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. And yes, please do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for your upcoming videos. So तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.